Our traditional strong markets are industrial health and safety and the air quality market. We've had real good penetration in the Far East, Europe, and now the US with our high sensitivity air quality sensors. We've received quite a bit of feedback with clients wanting to measure with more sort of certainty at low concentrations. So really focused the 0 to 3 sensor to have really good stability and sensitivity down to very low concentrations. And we're proud to say we can detect down to 0.5 ppb robustly and accurately in all weather conditions. And in some of those situations, people want to measure above 3 ppm. And so before we had a 0 to 3 ppm sensor and a 0 to 40, and some of our clients had to install both of those sensors into their product, which puts an extra burden on them in terms of design and cost. What a lot of them have said to us, we want a 1 ppb sensor, it goes up to 10 ppm, and this is a brand new range sensor that we have with Ion Sense, and we didn't have it in Mini PID 2. This is going to really address a lot of our clients' key concerns for air quality monitoring.
No, absolutely, and one of the other important products which is going to help us through the course of this year and going forward, so we've also released a connection and a transmission board. They sound very simple on the surface, but ultimately is trying to make our customers' lives, especially our new customers' lives, easier. So the purpose of these products is to help facilitate the integration of our PIDs into their wider systems, their exciting concepts, their exciting products, so enabling them to better take what is arguably a complicated component and integrate it into what might be a more complicated system as well. So really trying to smooth out that journey, make that process from going from 0 to fully functional much easier. And we really pride ourselves in our ability to work closely with customers to help with integration. So the word partner gets thrown around quite a lot, but it's a really important word for us. We genuinely like to partner with our customers, help them really realize their product and get the best out of our product, so ultimately everyone wins. So that's a really important aspect of what we do and how we operate as a business.